everyone, Tina here. I hope your day's going wonderful. I'm so glad you're joining me. Well, today I get to share with you the brand new April 2026 card kit from Simon Says Stamp. It's called A Little Artsy. I think you're going to love it. And if you guys notice, usually I do this on the 14th of the month, but Simon pushed, this is the first time they've ever did it, but they're pushing it forward until the 10th. So now they're available, the kits itself are available in the Simon shop on the 10th of the month right now, going forward. So you get them a little bit earlier, which is nice. And then the kits will begin shipping on the 16th of every month. And so what I thought we would do is go do an unboxing on the 10th of every month. So this video is a little bit of a short video. And then I'm thinking more towards the end of the month or the beginning of the following month, we'll create some card projects with it. This way it's closer to when you guys get the kits, and then the inspiration will be a little bit fresher. That's what my thoughts on this would be. So on the 10th I'll be doing an unboxing video, and then later on down the month I'll be creating some projects with it. So keep a lookout for that video, okay? If I remember, I will go back in and link that video down below in case you guys are watching this, you know, next month or so. I'll put the video link down below for you guys. So with that, we're going to go over the kit contents. Again, the kit is called A Little Artsy, and it's for April 2026. That's the name of the stamp set. It's a 6x8 stamp set, and it's fabulous. I just love it. A lot of big greetings, sub-sentiments or pre-sentiments, and then there's a little bit of a mixed media vibe to it. I just think it's wonderful. So that's our stamp set. To go with the stamp set this month, Simon included a stencil set. It's a two-piece stencil set, and then there's also the stencil masks, which are the negative pieces, basically, that you can use. And these are 4x4 stencils. What these do is you can color in both of the butterflies here. This butterfly and then the half butterfly. So it makes coloring really easy. And then you can also color in the daisy. So the mask will cover the daisy, so you can add some color to it that way. How wonderful is that? So you get a stencil set to go with the stamp set. That's part of the kit this month. Okay, as far as cardstock goes, you get 3 8.5x11 sheets. The black and then the Audrey blue here are from Simon, and then the white is Nina. Makes great card bases, nice heavy duty. Both of it, all of the cardstock is, though. It's a great weight cardstock. So these three are included in the kit. Okay, also included in the kit from 49 and Market are some Fresh Start rub-on transfer sheets. These are 6x8 sheets, and you get 2 sets, which are just lovely. And I love the colorful feel of these rub-ons. So that's pretty fabulous. Also included is a vintage encyclopedia page. This is about 6.5 inches wide by 9. Let's see, by 9 inches, and there's front and back to it. Mine has a little tear on it. I'm not sure if it came tore or if I tore it, but either way, it's gonna be torn, I'm pretty sure. So you get a sheet of that, a vintage encyclopedia page. Also included are some Spellbinders pattern papers. You get 10. These are single-sided. Spellbinders pattern papers are on the thinner side, but they are just wonderful. They have that mixed media vibe. This one has that daisy look that's almost the same as our stamp set. Pretty close. Really pretty. And you get a little variety of some distressed. I really like that. That's really pretty. Look at the butterflies, how gorgeous. Get 10 sheets of these pattern papers. Some of them even have some glossy effects to them. This one has some glossiness to the black here. You can see that shine. I'm thinking this one does too. It has a little bit of that glossy shine. And the black one also has that. It was like it was embossed with clear. It has a real pretty sheen to it. But you get 10 sheets of pattern papers from Spellbinders. Okay, this one is new from Simon, brand new. These are transparencies. They're called Creative Overlays. These are A2 in size. They look like there are 4 borders on here. And I just think this is going to be so fun to create with. Again, these are new to Simon. Perfect for mixed media cards. Okay, also included is some distress paint. Everybody will get salvage patina. Nice for coloring, but also nice for splattering. So we get a full-size bottle. This is 1 fluid ounce, so full-size bottle. Another ounce container is Positively Perfect Black Splatter Medium. We get this in our kit this month. Kind of goes with the whole color theme, which I just love. Simon also included a 4-pack of some mini Distress Oxide cubes. These just recently came out, the small mini cubes, and I just think they're fabulous. I have like the pink-red set, but your set may vary. All the sets are going to be different, so I probably won't use these on my card projects. I'll just probably break out my Distress Oxide ink pads, but you get 4 of these, so I just think that's pretty great value. All of this is a really great value. Next, we are getting a collection of these Distress. These are the Tim Holtz Ranger Distress blending brushes. I've had a few from the kits now, and I'm beginning to get a collection. It'll be nice because you can use one for every color family. But these little brushes are really handy. I love the container. You just push down the bristle, this portion, you just push down and you get the brushes. I always like to use these for stippling, but they are great for blending on distressed areas or adding distressed colors to areas of your card projects. So you get one of those brushes, and then lastly you get some twine. Let me see, this is from May Arts, and you get 1 yard of it. It's black twine, and this twine has is a very distressed twine. You can see how you can see the fraying on it, so it really goes well with the mixed media vibe, and you get a whole yard of this. Okay, so that's also included in our kit this month. So that's everything in the kit for April 2026, called A Little Artsy. I can't wait to create with the kit. And again, I'll create with the kit later on down the month. I'm thinking it'll definitely be after the 16th. So that's everything in the kit this month. Loaded, fully packed, and I can't wait to create some distressed looking cards with this. And again, the kits are now available in the Simon shop on the 10th of every month, and they'll begin shipping out on the 16th. I look forward to creating some card projects for you guys. Have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for joining me, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for sticking with me to the end. I have 2 more videos that you guys might be interested here. If you guys are new and like the content that you see, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way for future videos, be notified. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It sure does help the channel. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.